Hello and welcome to my basic CMD.bat and .VBS coding. .bat and CMD are the same thing, but I'm going to show you some of the basics of CMD, VBS, and both of them used together, and show you what you can do in this short tutorial. So here I'm going to show you some of the basics of CMD. Now CMD is command prompt, so you've probably seen it before, and it can do some pretty cool things. So you can just open up, you can go search for it, CMD, or in this tutorial we're going to just make a text document. So you're going to right click, new, then you want to go to text document, and then just name it whatever you want. Sorry about that. So we have that, that's that. So here's what we're going to do. Color A, pause. So with this, the color will basically just change the color of the text, and I'll show you in a minute. I'll demonstrate it. And pause will stop it. So when it says press any key to continue, that's what pause is. So if we did color A and then color B, pause. So when we open it, it will be color A, and these have certain codes. I'll put it in the description. So we will open color A, and then it will say press any key to continue. Then after we do that, it will open color B, and then press any key to continue. Then it will close because there's nothing else for it to run. So if we save that, make sure you save it. Right click, rename dot bat. That's what we want to do. Yes. But now, if you're not getting the dot something, if it's only putting a name down, just go to up here, view, then file extensions, file name extensions, and it will put it there. So by default, you will either have it or not have it, but turn it on. I reckon it's pretty good. Turn it off, your personal preference. So get a click on this, and it will open. And we can see what it's done. It's done color A, which we typed in, and then pause. Press any key to continue. So I'm going to press any key on my keyboard, and then it will change its color B, which is this nice blue color. And then it's done pause again, and when I press it again, nothing else to run, it will close. So that's the basic of color and the basics of CMD. So now I'm going to show you something cool with CMD and some things that you can do. So I have a photo of a cat here. Bring it over here. It's really low quality, but it's a cat and it's a photo. So say we want to open this by opening our CMD. So we're going to make a new text document. I'm going to call it 2 and make it txt. Okay, so you're going to open it. I'm going to add a few things in before. So we'll do color A to change it to color A, and then we'll do pause. Let's do it twice. Pause. So we have to press 2 keys to continue. And then it will do cat, I've done it in caps, .jpg, and that's the same file that we've got over here. So since we've done that, we can go save, and as usual change the dot to bat, and if we open it, we'll have the color will change, press it twice, and then the cat should open. There we go. Open, see? Didn't even have to click on it. Alright, so that's how you can open things. And say you had we might do some VBS scripting. We would have something.vbs, and we could do the same thing and have it open. So that's how you open things. So in this part, we're also going to do something pretty cool. So the idea here is to have 1 open 2, then that will open 1 when you press a key to continue. So let's just open this quickly. Alright, so in 1 we're going to do, why not, let's just chuck color A in there, because color A is amazing, it looks cool. You don't have to, but why not? So it will turn a certain color, then it will go pause, then it will go to open 2, which is the second file. We're opening 1, so it will be called .bat when we turn it to .bat. It's not going to be txt. So we're going to call that, and then save. Now in this one we're gonna have color B, and we're gonna make it pause, and then we're gonna do the name of one, and that will be .bat. Save. So now let's change these to .bat. Yes, you want to change it, and once again, yes. Okay, so now if we open one, it's done what we wanted to do. Change the color to A, then it's done pause. So if we press the key, you will open the next one, and the next one, next one, next one. Go forever. And it's infinite, so if you keep pressing spacebar, it's going to keep on going, changing color. So as you notice, we had two separate files, but we've only got one of these open. That's just a little feature. So that's something cool. Now let's dive into really simple VBS. I'm not very good at it, but I reckon it's cool, and I can show you the complete basics. So once again, we're going to right click, new text document. I already made one by accident. And just call it whatever. I'm going to call it 1, why not, and leave it .txt. So we're going to open it, and this is completely different to what I just taught you. So we're going to do, well, I'll just explain what it is. When you get like a message, a pop-up on Windows, that is what VBS is. So we're going to just quickly show you what it is. So if I do this command, then you have to have the capitals. So MSG box, message box, and then you've got to do no space, and then what do we want it to say? This seems to be very popular. Hello world, why not? And then we do closing brackets, and then after with that, make sure we save it. Right click, .bat, not that. Wait, no. .vbs. Nearly made a mistake then. This is the VBS file, so we're gonna open it. Hello world. So that's one of the most basic things, and I can show you as well, sort of the same in one aspect as CMD. We change it back to TXT. Yep. If we do another one, oops. So say we copy this, and we do it 5 times, and then we change the messages. So I'll say hello world, how are you today? It will open these after you press OK or cross. It will, regardless, open the next one, the next one, the next one. So go save now. Right click. Change the end of that to VBS. Yes, we want to change that. Hello world, how are you today? And if I open it again, hello world, if I press across instead, still gonna do it. So don't create anything too crazy. You're gonna be there for a while clicking. So now from scratch we're going to use both of these. So I'm going to create the CMD first. So we have CMD.txt, and then the new one, and we're going to create VBS. So this is the names, they don't really make effect, I'm just using it so I know which one's which. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to make it open VBS. Okay, so if we don't put pause at the end, it won't say click this to continue. So it will just close automatically, because as we know, if there's nothing there, there's nothing left to do. We'll put pause there anyway, because pause is great. And maybe just like for fun, to reinforce it, color A, we'll do color 4, see what comes up, and then pause. Now my friends, you may have noticed I made a bit of an error here. I accidentally put something on the end. That what I just did then, getting rid of that, is called debugging. Now, I just backspaced one character, But say you opened it and it didn't work, you would debug it. You would go back in, see what's wrong, maybe just look at the tutorial again, look up something online. That's basically some of the best solutions you can get. So we'll save that. So we'll open it, pause, color A, and we'll color 4, then pause. So we're going to go to VBS, and we're going to do again, message box, bracket, and then we're going to go YOLO. Why not? Okay, so we'll make it say that, and then we'll go save. So when we open that, that's what it will do. So we're going to change this to CMD. Yes. Then to .VBS. So if we open that, it will open the YOLO thing. So press OK. And then that's going to come up after. Closed it after a while. And then that's color 4. It's dark red. And all these color combinations can be found in the description. But anyway, thank you for watching.